Today, you will enjoy homemade Kinder Ice Cream Recipe. Now I explain how you can make homemade Kinder Ice Cream with a simple way. Kinder Ice Cream is very tasty. You and your family friends will enjoy so much. Ingredients: 16 Kinder bars, 6 bars Kinder Bueno, milk cream 400 ml, condensed milk 200 ml, chocolate covered with melted milk 500 grams, Nutella 300 grams. Preparation: 1. Melt the Kinder bars in slow flame. 2. Add the cream and melted Kinder bowl. 3. Add condensed milk, melted Kinder bars and Nutella in bowl, then mix it well. 4. Add pieces of Kinder in mixture bowl. 5. Pour over metallic bowl for freezing. 6. Keep it 5 hours in freezer. 7. After 5 hours, Kinder Ice Cream is ready. Now topping with chocolate melted milk at room temperature. Now enjoy yummy Kinder Ice Cream. Thank you guys for watching. If you like my video TLC, don't forget subscribe my channel for more new videos.